We should learn more, a lot more, about the special counsel investigation into Russian interference in the 2016 election in the next 24 hours. We'll also be hearing about the Republican probe of alleged bias at the Department of Justice. Here's Chief Intelligence Correspondent Catherine Herridge on the prospects for a very big day tomorrow.
On Friday, the special counsel probe and House Republican FBI investigation come to a head. Robert Mueller's team will submit memos documenting their allegations that former Trump campaign chairman Paul Manafort violated his plea agreement. Manafort's legal team argues the special counsel used strong-arm tactics to obtain information their client does not have or evidence that does not exist.
It's a terrible situation for Manafort himself. It's not a great one for the prosecutors either, because they really can't use him as a witness in any case against anybody.
Earlier this week, the special counsel filed the sentencing memo for former National Security Advisor Mike Flynn with heavy redactions. A similar effort to shield sensitive information is expected in the Manafort filing, and a separate sentencing memo for Michael Cohen, the president's former personal attorney. Court records show Cohen, who cut a deal last week over lying to Congress about a 2016 Trump-Moscow real estate project, has participated in 7 voluntary interview meetings with the special counsel's office. Legal observers predict the next few weeks will be telling.
If there aren't any new indictments, that would tell you that he's really preparing a report to deliver to the Congress about what his investigation has uncovered relative to the president and the campaign.
After withdrawing legal efforts to quash a congressional subpoena, former FBI Director James Comey is on Capitol Hill Friday for a rare closed-door interview under oath with the House Judiciary Committee. After controversial text messages from FBI agent Peter Strzok and FBI lawyer Lisa Page, Republicans predict hard questions on political bias in the Clinton email and Russia investigations.
There's a whole host of things that Mr. Comey knows, and he's made statements on. Some of them haven't been consistent.
With the special counsel prosecuting Trump associates for lying, Republicans want Comey to explain why he apparently did not pursue similar allegations against Hillary Clinton over her congressional testimony about her email use. The Comey transcript could be released as early as Saturday. The former FBI director said the move is the closest he can get to a public hearing, Brett.
Catherine, there's also new information tonight about the evidence in the Clinton Foundation investigation.
Next week, Congressman Mark Meadows, chairman of the House Freedom Caucus, is holding a subcommittee hearing on the investigation into the Clinton Foundation. As you recall, a year ago, the U.S. Attorney in Utah, John Huber, was tasked by then Attorney General Jeff Sessions with the Clinton Foundation, among other issues. Tonight, Meadows confirms to Fox News 3 whistleblowers have come forward with hundreds of pages of evidence of potential wrongdoing, to include the misappropriation of funds and quid pro quo. The Clinton Foundation has consistently maintained that it is a charity and never traded on Hillary Clinton's position as Secretary of State, Brett.
We will follow all of these threads. Catherine, thank you.
You're welcome.